Hey everyone, just want to take a moment to show you here in chapter 3, really the only thing you have to do for your homework is to show that you have the setup scripts ran and that you've set up all the tables that you need in the database. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go about that. We are in the SQL workshop, but you can also come down and look at the object browser. Now, just heads up, everyone, this is me using Apex Online. Again, I prefer the Apex Online when we get down into the later weeks. I think it's like 7 and 8. There's some things you just won't be able to do in Apex, but you can still write the query for me. It's a pretty simple query. You just won't be able to run it, but I can still grade it. I tell you, not being able to do those couple of queries versus installing the entire Apex system on your computer, I really do recommend going with Apex on the cloud. It's a lot easier to get up and running. It's not as cumbersome, and it doesn't take as much on your computer, especially for those that are using some laptops and desktops that are a little bit low powered. So as we showed, we went to the SQL workshop. And I actually went to the object browser. You can go from there, the menu. And here are our tables right there. That's simple to see. We can change, and at some point we will change, but we want to see the table. So here you go. You can click customer. There is your customer table. You can even click there to see the data. This would be a good screenshot to show that you have the data loaded in. And so that's one way to do it. The other way to do it, there's two more ways to do it. We're going to go to SQL commands, and we're going to say select star. Remember what I told you? We don't normally do select stars, but from this one we can. So we're going to say, there is a way to blow this up. There we go. Select star from customers. I think it's plural. And let's go ahead and run that. Not customers. Customer. Let's try. There we go. So again, you won't need to blow it up as big as I did on the screen, but from here you can take a screenshot of your customers table. Make sure if you do it this way that your screenshot also does get the select star from customer in there, so that way I can see how you went about doing this. The other way is describe customer. This is the third way to do it. And again, it will show you all the information. This is the screenshot you will take from me. If you want to do this, plus the select star customer. It may not like both commands. Oh, because I broke the cardinal rule. Yeah, it's still going to have a hard time. It just doesn't like to do both at the same time. But make sure you get the semicolon on there. That is important to see. So that's, like I said, way number 3, way number 2. And then way number 1. There you have it. So easy peasy. You want to get all 5 of your tables screenshotted and sent over to me. And that is the homework. Not too tough. Definitely not tough this week. All right. Thank you. And hope everyone stays safe.